This is the Biling solar motion sensor light. Comes in a 2-pack. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get 4 screws and 4 wall anchors and 2 of these lights. I'm just showing you one because they're identical. So you can see that you have 2 screw holes over there, solar panel on top, and this would be great to mount on like a deck railing or something like that. Over here it has the motion sensor and a button to change the modes. Now this has 266 LEDs on 5 different surfaces, as you can see there. So this is actually really bright. In fact, on high it'll put out 2600 lumens, and on low it'll put out 860 lumens. Still quite bright no matter what. And the motion sensor detects motion in approximately a 25-foot range. It's powered by an internal 2200 milliamp hour 18650 rechargeable battery that is of course recharged by the solar panel on top. And of course this is outdoor rated. It could be out there, rain, snow, all that kind of stuff, because it's meant for it. So now I'm going to demonstrate the different modes. In the first mode, it's simply motion sensor. When you come up to it, it'll sense that you're there, and it comes on, and this is at full brightness. And then after there's no more motion, after about 20 seconds or so, it'll go out. In the second mode, it's on in the low light, and then when you come past it, it goes bright, and after 20 seconds or so, it'll go dim again. In the third mode, it stays on dusk to dawn. By the way, this light only works when it's dark out, because when it's light out, there's no need for the light. So it'll auto sense for that. But in this third mode, it'll stay dim all night. It doesn't matter if you walk up to it or do anything. It just stays at low light for the entire night. And then when it becomes dawn and it becomes light out again, it will go out. So all in all, a nice 2-pack set of solar motion sensor lights from Biling. This is actually really great because all of the modes work exactly as they say they do. I've had other ones that I've tested where they're tricky to even get them to work to start with, not to mention, you know, the first mode is the third and the third is the second, and everything's all, and you don't know which is which, and you got to keep playing with it. This worked exactly as it said it would, and is an excellent light all around. I also want to just show you how much light it will put out, so you can see how much light it'll actually like give off. So I just have the camera pointing at the wall. It's otherwise dark in here, and this is the light on low that it'll give off. Certainly enough for you to see around and do whatever you need to do if you have it set on that mode. On high, it puts out a lot more light. As you can see, everything is a lot brighter. And then, of course, the motion sensor goes out, and then it'll turn back on when it sees motion. So if you're looking for solar motion sensor lights like this would be an excellent 2-pack set to pick up. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description, where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.